Hi, it's Jan from velomobielworld.com, and today's video I want to show you, I have here, I brought my computer and I will show you, we have also a lot of technical support pages made for the DF. So you start with the home page, and then here you have technical support. You can see we have built already for the Alpha series, Milan SL GT and the Bulk. For the Bulk we have already also very much supporting videos. We will do that also for the Alpha series, the Milan SL GT, and for the DFXL will take still a while. But we have already quite some things which is very useful. For example, the front wheels here. We have made some videos about it, how to changing a spoke, some exploded views, and you can explore by yourself, but we have already quite some stuff there, which is really interesting and useful for you. Thanks for watching, and if you did not subscribe yet, please subscribe somewhere there or there. And put also the notifications on. That will be really helpful for us. And see you next time. Bye bye.